Sophia's passion for cooking. I'm a host, Sophia. It's a perfect day to cook outside, 55 degrees Fahrenheit and no wind. I'm going to make a tasty grilled salmon with very few ingredients. I also have a little helper here. Before I start, I just want to say a special thanks to you for your continuous support. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe and also hit the bell to see all my uploads immediately. Let's get started.
Shall we start now? Okay, start the grill and let it reach 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Meanwhile, I'm going to prepare the fish. First, I'm going to make the sauce. In a mixing bowl, add all the following ingredients one by one. First, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of chopped or minced ginger root, 2 tablespoons of teriyaki sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, adjust your taste, 1 tablespoon of unbleached cane sugar, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. I'm using frozen lemon juice. Mix it well. Into that, add 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Give it a good mix. 1/4 teaspoon of dried rosemary, 1 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of dried mint leaves. This is optional. Let all the ingredients get well incorporated and set it aside. I'm using 1.5 pounds of salmon fillet, washed and skinned. Pat it dry with a paper towel. Mix the sauce one more time. Just pour them on the top and flip them over and do the other side. Or if you want, you can leave them in a deep mixing bowl and marinate 30 minutes for more flavor. For sides, I'm going to grill some asparagus. Just sprinkle some salt. If you're marinating on a flat plate like this, you'd better rotate the sauce every few minutes. This grilling basket is very convenient to cook with. It makes it so easy to flip and the fish won't break apart. You may put the asparagus if you want or grill them directly on the fire. Just secure it and put it on the grill. Now the grill is ready. I'm going to put some asparagus directly on the fire. Close the grill and cook for 7 to 8 minutes on each side on medium flame. We are adding more sauce on the top. It's 300 degrees Fahrenheit now. It cooks faster than in my conventional oven. Such a beautiful day. You can see my backyard. Look who is here.
that well.
It's been 7 minutes so far. Time to flip it over. It looks gorgeous. Add more sauce and cook for another 5 minutes or until the internal temperature reaches between 150 degree and 160 degree Fahrenheit. Thank you, sweetie. You're doing a wonderful job. It's reached 160 degree Fahrenheit, so I'm turning the grill off. Let it stand for a few minutes and then enjoy. The taste is so good because it has all the flavors like sour from lemon juice, tart from soy sauce and teriyaki sauce, sweet from sugar, and spicy from black pepper. The combination blends well and gives you a lovely aroma. It looks so good and it came out very well.
You're always welcome to leave your comments and suggestions, or if you want to share your recipes, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Check out my other videos. Bye bye.